Okay, welcome back everyone. In today's episode, we are going to look into programmatically managing our focus, specifically going into Do Not Disturb mode. This should remove notifications, things of that nature that I prefer not to see while recording. And so let me just show you how to do that with code. First thing you're going to have to do is move into we're going to have to go into our system. We're going to have to go into our system settings. And then we're going to go down to keyboard and then keyboard shortcuts. And then once we're in keyboard shortcuts, move into mission control. And here you see we have a turn do not disturb on or off. You're going to want to toggle this on. And then you're going to want to click here and set the keybind that you want. So for me, I'm going to do Shift, Control, Option, Command, D. Right there. Great. So now I can just press, so if you see here, I can press Shift, Control, Option, Command, D. And now you see I'm using a keybind to turn that on and off. And that's nice. But I want to go one step further, and I want to control this with our CLI. So I'm actually not going to do a conditional here. I am going to just always run this do not disturb. So let's just call this, we're going to do await exec, also script, and we'll call this toggle dnd.applescript. And then we'll go over to our files, and let's create toggle dnd.applescript. And this is a pretty easy one. We're going to do ignoring application responses and ignoring. We're going to say tell application system events to keystroke D using, and then we're going to do command down, shift down, option down, and control down. Now, just to show you how this is going to work, I'm going to turn do not disturb off. And now we'll go into our script, and we actually don't even need command line arguments for this. So I actually removed this ignoring application responses, and there we have it. So now when we run this, we go into do not disturb mode. If we run it again, we leave do not disturb. And that should work just fine with our other CLI arguments as well. But hope you learned something today. See you in the next one. Bye.